not. By the end of the week, you'll be able to take light rail from Lynnwood down to Federal Way. Sound Transit is opening the Federal Way extension with 3 new stations Saturday, December 6th. You'll have Kent Des Moines, which you see right here, Star Lake, and Federal Way downtown. Today, the media got the opportunity to hop on those trains early. For those of you who live in the area, I'm sure you've been seeing them testing them for months. Well, this weekend, you'll finally get the chance to catch a ride. Some quick facts: trains will run every 8 minutes during peak hours. Federal Way to the airport would take about 16 minutes. It would take you about 50 minutes to get into downtown Seattle from Federal Way, and about 42 minutes to downtown Seattle from Kent Des Moines. It will definitely come in handy when you think about how crowded I-5 can get, especially through this portion of Federal Way. And I have a question for those of you who usually get on I-5 and sit through that morning or evening traffic. Will you be taking it? Why or why not? By the end of the week, you'll be able to take light rail from Lynnwood down to Federal Way. Sound Transit is opening the Federal Way.
Pacific waves, the voice of the people, strong like the wind, firm like a steeple, inspiration, entertainment every way. Pacific Waves TV and Radio USA, feel the wave, feel the sound. Pacific Waves, always give